Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today as you know, I have my exhaust messed up on the pocket bike. Here it is right here. There's the big hole for this mount right here. This is the mounting piece right here, where that piece broke off of. But me being cheap and don't want to wait for the eBay one as of right now, I'm going to try to attempt to weld it together and see if I get away with it. My goal is just basically to put the muffler on. Hopefully it gets a little quieter, fix that hole, because that's one reason why it's super loud. But yeah, that's pretty much all I want to try to do today and get that done. Alright, so here is my attempt at trying to weld this. I mean, they're not the prettiest welds. Got all around the bottom, got all around the top. Pretty much got it all put back together, because this was really the main issue right here where the big hole was at, because it's right before it. But I am hoping that this works a lot better and quiets it down a little bit. I mean, there's not really else I can do other than just buy a new muffler, but like I said, I really don't want to do that. But yeah, this is it for now. I'm about to put it all back on and turn it on and see how loud it is. Alright, so I'm all done. Here it is. That's how far it sticks. I mean, it's like how it was before. Like I said, I need to get these new plastics, but I am about to start it up. I'm about to start up and see how loud it is. Wow. Guess I'll just sit on it. That wasn't very safe at all. I mean, it's definitely not as loud as it was, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, definitely not as loud. Okay, so it's definitely a lot quieter, more suitable to ride around. The only thing I should have done was make sure I wipe down the inside of the tube and basically get all the oil off, because it's smoking really bad. I don't think it's the mixture that I have. I'm pretty sure it's just all the oil that's left over there burning with all that, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm just hoping that it goes away, because it's smoking pretty decently bad. So, well, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm happy it's a lot quieter. Definitely do like it. But I am ending it here. I'm probably gonna go ride around for a little bit more. I'll take it down one time so you can hear it, and this will be the end of it though. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, hit the bell, and share with all your friends. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.